Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most popular entry-level DSLRs on the market, the Nikon D3500. Design build quality. The Nikon D3500 carries a simple yet durable design. Weighing just around 365 grams, body only, it's one of the lightest DSLRs you can carry, making it a great option for travel and everyday photography. Image quality. The D3500 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor without an optical low-pass filter. This means you get sharper images with excellent detail. Paired with Nikon's XP4 image processor, the D3500 delivers vibrant colors, good contrast, and natural-looking skin tones. Video performance. The Nikon D3500 shoots full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second. While it's not a 4K camera, the video quality is crisp, smooth, and perfect for casual shooting. Battery life. One of the biggest strengths of the D3500 is its impressive battery life. You can capture up to 1,550 shots on a single charge, which is significantly higher than most mirrorless cameras today. Overall, the Nikon D3500 remains one of the best budget DSLRs for beginners. If your main focus is photography, whether portraits, landscapes, or travel shots, this camera will serve you beautifully with sharp images, easy controls, and fantastic battery life. Thank you so much.